Hello, I'm David Bradley. I was responsible for getting this aeroplane behind me back from New Zealand to the UK. It arrived here in the UK on January the 3rd, 2018, which is about 6-7 months ago now. And at the moment it is now in storage in this hangar while we're waiting to prepare some plans to do some work to restore this aeroplane back to the status it used to be in when it was in operation by the New Zealand Air Force. We obviously need to raise some more money to fund all this, and eventually, of course, it will move across the airfield to a new site somewhere in the new museum at Aerospace Bristol, which is on the other side of the airfield from where we are now.